To blur the background of a video in CapCut, start by opening the app and selecting the video you want to edit. Once your video is uploaded, go to the editing section and select the chroma key option. But since you want to blur the background, you will use the background segmentation feature instead. This feature allows you to separate the subject from the background, giving you the ability to apply different effects to each. To access this feature, click on the adjustment icon and then select the background segmentation option. CapCut's AI technology will automatically detect the subject and separate it from the background. You can then refine the selection by using the brush tool to paint over any areas that were not correctly detected. Once you have separated the subject from the background, you can apply the blur effect to the background. To do this, click on the background and select the blur option from the effects menu. You can adjust the level of blur to your liking. And you can also add other effects such as color correction or saturation to enhance the overall look of your video. It is essential to note that the success of this feature depends on the quality of your video and the complexity of the background. For best results, use videos with a clear subject and a simple background. Additionally, you can use the green screen feature if you have a video with a green background. This will allow you to easily remove the background and replace it with a different image or video. By following these steps, you can easily blur the background of your video in CapCut and create professional-looking videos with ease. Remember to experiment with different effects and adjustments to find the look that works best for your video.